Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install R and RStudio on Windows 11 machine. So first of all I will open the Google search bar and I will type download R, and I will go to this link and I will download this R for Windows. So look, I have already downloaded this file, so I'm going to cancel the download process. So let me just open the exe file which I have already downloaded, and then I'm going to click yes. After that, I will select English as my language, click OK, click next. This is where it will be installed. Click next, next, next. Everything is default. I'm not going to change anything. So the installation process has been started. It will take a few seconds to complete. So just wait, be patient. So we are done. The installation process has been completed. I will click finish. Now is the time to download RStudio. So I will again open Google search bar and I will type download RStudio, and I will go to this website, and then afterwards I will go down and let me just accept all, and let me just download this version. This is for Windows version. Okay, so the download process has been started. So I have already downloaded this file. The size is around 275 MB. Let me just cancel the process. So let me open the file which I have already downloaded and click yes, and after that you will click next. This is where it will be install, show details. So it will take a few minutes to complete. Just wait. So now I will click finish. So let me just open the RStudio. So go to search bar and you will type RStudio, and let me just open it. So RStudio has been installed. So look, RStudio. Now I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.